If you search for tenderness, it's hard to find. You can hold the love you need to leave. But if you look for truthfulness, you might just as well be blind. It always seems to be hard to give. Honesty is such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue. Honesty is only ever heard, and mostly what I need from you. I can always find someone to say the sympathize if I wear my heart out of my sleeve. But I don't want some pretty face to tell me pretty lies. All I want is someone to believe. Honesty is such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue. Honesty is only ever, and mostly what I need from you. I can find lovers, I can find friends, I can find the security and tell the bitter. Everyone can comfort me with promises again. I know, I know. When I'm deep inside of me, don't be too concerned. I won't force nothing while I'm gone. But when I want sincerity, tell me where else can I turn? 'Cause you're the one that I depend upon. Honesty is such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue. Honesty is only ever heard, and mostly what I need from you.